Hi everyone, welcome back to our coding studio. So in today's coding studio, we are going to be going over vocab terms. And before that, let's go ahead and say hello to our studio pet, which is Winnie. Hey Winnie, and he says, "Hi guys, today you will learn some vocab terms." Winnie, you're correct. We are going to review some vocab terms and even learn some new ones, which will help us in the future as I conduct more apps. Okay, so let me quickly review the board and we can get started. As you see, today's video is about vocab terms. Our goal of today's video is to review vocab terms and we will learn some new ones too. The question of the day is, what is the definition of event? Um, that is one of the vocab terms I am going over. So you can just type your answer in the discussion tab of my channel page. And we don't have any extra links that I'm going to go to. We're just going to stay on our board. And I had to add in a picture of this little person kind of searching up definitions and vocab terms, which just goes along with what we're doing today. And as you see on the right, we have a little vocab box, which has all our vocab terms that we're going to review today. So now let's get started. Before we get into the definitions, I'm going to go ahead and read all of our vocab terms. So first we have sequences. Our second one is called algorithms. Then we got how to make an app. Our fourth one is variables. Our fifth one is events. Sixth is behavior. And seventh is create games. Now, on two of these vocab terms, I've actually capitalized them. They're not actually vocabulary words, they're more of a step or like a process which we need to know. So I'm going to also address that in today's video. All right, so let's start with our first word, which is sequence. Okay, here's the definition of a sequence. A sequence is the specific order in which instructions are executed in a computer. Let me repeat that one more time. A sequence is the specific order in which instructions are executed in a computer. Okay, next we got algorithms. Here's the definition of an algorithm. An algorithm is a set of instructions to complete a task. One more time. An algorithm is a set of instructions to complete a task. All right, then we got how to make an app. Okay, so how to make an app. There are 4 steps in order to make an app. Our first step is to define the purpose. The second step is to design the app. Our third step is to code the app. And our fourth step is to run the app. Let me repeat that one more time. Our first step is to define the purpose. Second step is to design the app. Third step is to code the app. And fourth step is to run the app. All right, next we got variables. A variable is a placeholder which is used to hold or store a value. One more time. A variable is a placeholder which is used to hold or store a value. That was the definition of variables. Next, we got events. An event is a trigger which leads to an action. One more time. An event is a trigger which leads to an action. All right, then we got create games. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Steps to create a game. Our first step is to create the characters. Our second step is to set behaviors. Our third step is to create objects. And our fourth step is to code the rules. One more time. Our first step is to create characters. Second step is to set behaviors. Third step is to create objects. And our fourth step is to code the rules. Alright guys, so I just defined all of our vocab terms and including some processes. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you guys now learned a lot today and maybe even reviewed some vocab terms that you already know. Alright guys, so I'll see you in my next coding video, and as a heads up, in our next coding video, we'll actually be starting a project in our dance party lab. And one more thing, if you're watching this video from my coding studio playlist, then I'm also uploading this video in my resources playlist too. Just a heads up for your information. Alright guys, so that's it for today. And until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!